Okay, so git smart commit changes. Control which changes are automatically staged by smart commit. So this feature is actually relates to this one up here, git enable smart commit. So I have this one disabled, right? And what smart commit is that it commits all changes when there are no staged changes. So you don't need to stage your changes in order to commit. I find that to be kind of dangerous because a lot of times I'm working on more than one feature at the same time, and I want to commit changes to a particular feature independently of changes to another feature. So even though I have a lot of changes, I want to separate those commits, and I think that's good practice. Now, by default, I have smart commit set to false, so I have turned it off. If you happen to turn it on, this git smart commit changes controls which changes to commit. So you have the default value, which is it's going to commit all changes, or you have automatically staged tracked changes only, right? So if you have untracked files, it's not going to commit those. It's only going to commit changes in files that are already tracked. So, choose the option that you find most valuable. I do find smart commit to be kind of dangerous, so I'm going to leave this one with its default value. It doesn't really matter to me though, because I have smart commit turned off.